Voyager 2. For California Mission Control, the long wait began. For a year and a half, Voyager 1 travelled through the blackness of space heading towards Jupiter. The pictures it sent back from Jupiter in March last year were almost psychedelic, as the great storm bands of highly coloured gases swirled underneath. Jupiter's great red spot was seen to be a rotating pillar of gas in the stormy atmosphere. Accelerated by its swoop through Jupiter's gravity field, Voyager sped on for another 18 months, finally reaching Saturn. Then it started sending us dramatic pictures of the ringed planet. Even at the speed of light, a radio signal takes an hour and 25 minutes to reach us from there. Now here are the very latest pictures of Saturn and its rings. These were taken as Voyager went down the side of Saturn, reaching to within 77,000 miles of the surface, and looking upwards and backwards at the rings, as you might say. What's really excited the scientists here is that those mysterious spokes, which they saw a few days ago, are still there, spreading out through the incredibly complicated structure of hundreds of small rings. But this time the spokes are bright and shining in appearance when seen from below. When they were first discovered, as Voyager looked from above, they appeared dark. Those spokes have set scientists wondering whether the laws of physics can explain Saturn's rings. But the most disturbing puzzle of all was the outermost ring, which appeared to be braided and twisted. One of the few British scientists involved in the study explained why he's both pleased and baffled.
Well, there's no doubt the mission has been highly successful to return 17,500 pictures of the 9 moons, the planet, and above all of the rings. It's a fantastic achievement after 2.5 years out in space. But above all, it's extremely puzzling because we can see, in fact, the rings show phenomena which we can't explain with our understanding of physics now. So clearly it's going to require a lot of effort to actually understand what these pictures mean.
Are you in fact more puzzled now than when it started?
Well, I think this is usually the case with space missions. This has been the case up until now, and clearly Saturn, in fact, tops all of these with the pictures of the rings.
Now Voyager 1 has virtually finished its task at Saturn. It's now rushing away from our solar system out into the galaxy. Its companion, Voyager 2, will get to Saturn next year. But otherwise, this technological triumph seems likely to be the end of America's big spending among the planets.